This is the hatch that holds the screen that Michelle fell through. So I pulled out the screen, it was all ripped, and it had these things with staples, hundreds and hundreds of staples. So I took some double-sided tape that I use for sewing, and I put it down around the frame, and I'm going to take the screen, stretch it out, and set it down so it sticks all the way around nice and smooth. Then I'm going to cut the screen out. Then I'm going to attach some binding. I'm going to pull the screen off, and I'm going to sew a binding around the screen and attach it around this with snaps so you can unsnap it. That's the plan. Okay, change of plans. We stretched it out, stuck it to the tape to hold it, then took some binding, folded it in half, and stapling it. Then I'm going to cut this off. I don't think it's going to look as good because the staples will be seen. Well, they won't be really seen because that's what it's going to look like from inside. Outside, if you had the hatch open looking down, you'll see staples. Oh well. Okay, so I put the binding down. The tape held the screen, so it's pretty tight. And I got a little wrinkle here, but it's alright, it's functional. I put the binding down, stapled the binding. I'm going to trim off this excess. So from the inside, it'll look pretty good. Okay, so these holes correspond to this hinge. Get that screwed in with these screws and that drill. So there's a little screw bit here. This goes up. That thing gets screwed in. That's what it looks like. This screen, pretty exciting. So I know everybody wants to know what's it look like from this side. Well, looks like staples. Not too bad. Fernandina. It's the Fernandina Yacht Club, I guess, or City Marina, or whatever. There's the shrimp festival. So there's some shrimp boats going by over there with flags on them, and we're gonna take a ride over there and get some shrimp later.